Seven Seas is more focused on developing IP-based games, which is a core asset for the company, where we have a concept design and the programming has been done, and with the creative artwork been implemented and testing. So this is a core completely a game development company from Hyderabad, and our focus is to create more games on the online gaming segment as well as mobile gaming segment. And these are the segments where we have the largest games in India, one of the largest, making us one of the largest games IP and development company. Now we have launched the mobile games today with 10 mobile games in a 5 different genres, and having targeted to especially the teenagers 21 to 35 years, where the market share of 33% of gamers are from this age group. But however, you have the facility of playing some of the games which are universal games, where irrespective of the age groups can play. So, and these games will also be available on the multiple languages and multiple countries through the aggregators and app stores model. So when the market, you see when about the market of the online gaming and as well as mobile gaming, there is a lot of growth from the past couple of years, and mobile gaming is set to grow faster by every year. So hope these games will be attractive and enjoyed by all the gamers worldwide. So Indian is the next, majority of the focus would be on mobile gaming segment. That was the projections given by the NASSCOM and the FICCI KPMG report. So gaming is all set to grow in India, especially in coming to 1 to 2 years. You will see a change in the gaming segment, and mobile phones, when you see there are 800 million subscribers, so at least 10% of the mobile gaming segments if they play, which makes us one of the largest gamers for the Asian countries. We have invested around 5 crores over the period of 2.5 years. So first set was launched around 7-3D, because most of the high-end technology implementation has been there. So that's the reason it's taking time for us to release games. But however, the quality has been up to mark, since one of our game has been nominated in the FICCI Frames. So hope to see the results in this coming quarter. So on the top line, we are aiming at around 50% growth. So in this next quarter, once we can see actually the penetration of all the operators, then I can give you a clear picture. Next segment of our mobile gaming segment would be more focused on the Android platform. See, Android platform is the next hub that is going to be there, and because of the smartphones penetration, and most of the smartphones are using Android, I hope Android will be the next graphical oriented gaming part, and we'll be more focusing on the Android platform. Now, countries in the sense European market and Asian market, especially Europe, so it's all aggregation tie-up, and most of the operators go through the aggregator model. So our games will be available through the aggregator model.